you know that number one, when you deal with food business, kikita kayo. All you have to do is to know how to market your products. Ang tao, mahilig kumain. Lalo na tayong mga Pinoy, mahilig tayong kumain. Marami sa atin walang pakialam sa waistline natin. Tayo, ang happiness natin is food. So, alam mo yung market mo, nandiyan. Ang dami-daming tao sa buong mundo. So, madami tayong customers. Now, develop products that are unique, that are priced correctly, and know how to market. Now that you have Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms, ang daling i-market na product, di ba?
Opo.
And you can sell online, nandiyan yung mga online, bank transfers, mga GCash, ang daling magbayad online. Dati maglalako ka pa ng paninda mo and then cash lang talaga. Now, the convenience is there. Huwag kayong matakot magnegosyo. But when you start a business, full force kayo.